Alright, this is the Rover, shut the fuck up, Rover Pro Cut 750. I'm in the fortunate position to actually test this machine out, which is good. Where do we start first? So it's the self-propelled model, obviously, with the blade brake. That there, it's a little bit awkward, but as opposed to talking about it, I think we'll just start her up and give her a bit of a fucking burl. Let's put my earmuffs on. You'll notice this is a touch flimsy. You also notice I have fiddled with the governor spring to give it a bit more oomph, because I am 6'2" and walk fast, and this is slow. Let's give it a start. So normal revs used to be about there, but blade brake. Slip the clutch. It's a bit awkward to slip it. You can slip the clutch. We do have the mulching clutch So for a machine that, in my opinion, because I have one, cuts as good as the Honda HRU 196, the 19-inch, catches just as good, or yeah, nearly just as good. It does have a slightly smaller chute on the rear. And there, that's the mulch plug inserted, obviously. As you can see, do have more opening than the 216. It's got a fucking Chondra engine on it, but I actually kind of rate this engine not bad. It's, you know, I've had this for a day. I've given it an absolute hiding, and thus far, from what I can gather, not a bad machine. The only thing I'd change, I would get the overhead valve, the 910 engine from Rover, which is it's the same engine, but just as you can see there, it likes to get some shit in there, in the filter area. Oops. And so essentially I'm trying this machine. If I like it, I'll go the 21. Just the wet weather sort of mowing, but it is a little bit awkward, this handle system, because obviously well, some shit in there. Yeah, probably that, trying to do that and that can be a little bit awkward. What I've done yesterday is actually put a vice grip in here to hold this together, and it works pretty well. Anyway, if you want to see some more about this machine, let me know, and I'll put some more on there for you, because yeah.